Hey, what's up, Music Nation? I'm Music Kid. Welcome back to another video. Now, do you see what I'm looking at here? You see it? We have three birds. We just got a new one. Her name is Annie. She's very, very shy, but she goes by Coco and Sunny. And Sunny's been loud lately. I will be getting a new cage for them soon if I can. But this is just like a little. I added my own little stick, like a little perch. It's over there is a well right over there. So if they want to fly around, because I did read this. Helps me out with a lot. And if you are considering getting a bird, I prefer looking at videos like proper way to take care of these, because I have, and they've been getting around knowing family, friends, a lot of people, and you have to earn their trust. It's very complicated how you earn their trust. So watch. Coco already knows my trust. See? He goes on here without a problem. Isn't that right, Coco? Yeah. But he goes back on the perch right next to Sunny. Because he is the alpha of the flock. But yeah, I'm just making a little... Hi, Sunny. What are you doing? Jeez, where you going, bird? But yeah, never yell at them or anything. That is one simple interest you lose your trust. Hey, okay. But she's still very skittish. Also, Sunny is as well. I'm gonna get them a bigger cage very, very soon because they need a bigger cage. This cage cannot hold three birds. It can, but what would it cost? What the hell? Hi, Coco. I did pimp up their cage with like a little toy right here, swing up on top, food, waters on the back. But when I added a nest in there, oh my god. They tore the nest up. This is what's left of it. They tore it up. And this is for their beaks too. They tore it up as well. Because Sunny and Annie are females and Coco's the only male. And it's kind of funny how Sunny sometimes gets a little bit of a fight with Annie, because they fence basically. They fence, make sure they fight over the food because they can't both eat with each other. Coco and Annie can. Isn't that right? Okay then. But still, just a little quick upload of my video. I can't make videos that much anymore because the COVID stuff and all my stuff is getting ready to package. I'm not moving, it's just in shipping right now. So once I get everything all set up, it'll be all done and ready to go. So thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you like it, punch the like button, like the face. Never mind. You know what? I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.